Welcome back to Don't Memorize Math. So we are continuing with the chapter 2, making sense of algebra. So in which today we are discussing about using letters to represent unknown values. So first of all, we are discussing about variables. What do you mean by variables? Why we are using variables in math? So I will tell you an example, an easy one, but I will tell you that example how we are using in math. So I'm telling you that I have some books. Okay, I brought four more books today. So total number of books is 10. So how can we write this statement in math? As I told you, I bought some books, right? I told you I bought some books. So we don't know how many books I bought. Then I told after that what I told. After that I told I bought four more books. Then I have total number of books is 10. So you can see I just drew a box here instead of what I don't know. I don't know the value or I don't know how many books I bought in the beginning, and that thing I represented by using box. Like this we were doing in the beginning or when we are studying in the primary and all, we use like this. But in math when you deal with more and more problems in algebra and all, we cannot use box and circles in all places, right? So that we are using letters to represent what we don't know. That is, those letters are called variables. Like I bought some books. We don't know that book. We will represent that by a letter. You can use any letter. Okay, no problem. You can use any letter. So here I am using X. Then I bought four more books today, so that I got total number of books will be 10. 10. This is a mathematical statement or mathematical equation. Okay, algebraic equation representing the statement I told you just now. So these here we are using variables. So these letters are called variables. You will get, for example, I will just write some equation 2a plus 4b equal to 5. Okay, so here you can see I used two letters. So these letters are called, instead of using letters, that letter word is replacing by this variable. That's it. So letters are same as variables. Mathematically we call it as variables. Okay, when letters can represent many different values, they are called variables. I hope it's clear for you.